Kirk Kadicki here with another Brave Construction Zone, and we've got our partners here from Skanska today. Gentlemen, there's been a lot that's happened this winter. Can you give us a little rundown of what's going on? Let's start with the primary and elementary school.
Yeah, so over at the primary school, as you can see, the addition is ongoing. We've got the exterior brick and stone completed. We're working on the sidewalks out there currently. The concrete paver base is going in as well, so that'll all kind of come together here over the coming weeks. All on track and starting to look complete.
Chris, we've got obviously our beautiful new Indian Hill Middle School coming to life here every day, and there's been a ton of activity. Give us some updates.
Yeah, so exciting news today. We have a crane on site. We're setting our first air handler, so that's very exciting for us. We're working steadily on the exterior of the building. We've started spray foam installation, so that light yellow stuff there on the wall, that's in progress, and then we've got brick right behind it. And then on the inside, we're working on our mechanical, electrical, and plumbing rough-ins, all overhead stuff, so we can really start to see classrooms take shape.
Watch for masonry and windows on the outside as we build our brave future, one step at a time.